DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector.
No, so there was a new tune now, man. I check out the 1 or 2 months. Silencer. But KYODI didn't drop one either. I have to stay up to date today in that again. I see tune them a drop, I just need to listen to them, you see me? Come and say, yo, me see what I go on. And all out. So yeah, in the drop 2 tunes so far, Tentic drop 3. So we're waiting for KYODI third one. You see me? Tentic just drop Silencer. Tentic I go on there, why do not Tentic now play a dog? I mean here Silencer was also toward KYODI. I think so this are the what? So round one we give. Round 1 and round 2 gone to Tentic. I ain't gonna lie you, so Tentic leading. You see me? To KYODI I survive. Round 1 was a clear win for Tentic, I'll say. You see me? Round 2, you see me, was Tentic win, but it wasn't like definitive. But the tune there with that drop though, mad. You see me? Tune with Tentic drop mad though. You see me? But KYODI I hold on by life support right now. Cause that come with that come with thing there a while ago, half guard kinda give that guy a fighting chance. But now like, you see me? But 6 hours ago, that are today, Tentic just drop Silencer. You see me? I want to check it out and see where that deal with. You see me? I say, yeah man, and this is wow, this is gonna be a round 3. You see me? Round 1 and 2, you know. Has been Tentic so far, you know. So round 3, KYODI, you have to do something. I ain't gonna lie to you. When you come reply, you have to forward correct. No joke. What's the way Tentic I deal with in a Silencer though, gang?
The Silencer. Yo, now wait for the minute, I just murder him.
Come on, this starting already, man. Come on. Man, say the Silencer. We're not gonna wait for him, we're just gonna murder him. You see me call that day, come on.
Move on. Well, life though. Next project.
May I tell you one last time?
My youth, put on the band man thing. No man dark in a song man sing. Man who goes off head over 4 more I bit off up cans and spring. Smash the round heady belt harping. How you for
Whoa. Come on. Yeah man, Tentic say yo, me don't gonna calm, smooth. Now me I come with me didn't expect this. Think that come with more singing dog. You see more melodies, me G, come on.
Can a song man sing? Man who goes.
No man, I take this one top man. From top man. Come in gang, come on man. This crazy. Come on.
Well life though. Next project.
Next victim.
My youth, put on the band man thing. No man dark in a song man sing. Man who goes off head over 4 more I bit off up cans and spring. Smash the round heady belt harping. How you for war with the goddamn king? How do you know say man that kill boy family?
Yeah man, how if you are with the goddamn man we bust off your head man, you like up a cans and spring, bro. How you want to come war with the king? So Tentic I call himself the king though.
I bit off up cans and spring. Smash the round heady belt harping. How you for war with the goddamn king? How do you know say man that kill boy family? Your father jerk chicken alright. Bust off him that left. Know them enough.
Man say you know some man a kill boy from your father jerk chicken, no brother. How I go on my youth? How you come style the thing now?
Me bring one tech, man grow up, me the boss fast sweat. Come and know them deck with the liquor, death, 7 circle, men with the 3 mark text. Yes, them just done seen one text, him friend them circle around a gaga mel and realize that he get man dead. The time you want put on the bar when he gun them done don't full up the car, you are free me for girl choose, she want for fire.
Man say circle with 3 mark X, my youth. Now you have to run a gaga mel and realize that the 3 guard man them then dead, my youth. I want to your dog.
Mel and realize that he get man dead. The time you want put on the bar when he gun them done full up the car, you are free me for girl choose, she want for fire. Me come deep done full up in her. Can't go fucking college, ni car, me know me chicken say.
But the man say you want to come put on the war, brother. When me gun them done in a car, I'm ready for step and move. I know you want to come put it down, cause you want to grudge me for girl. But me done.
Pull up the car, you are free me for girl choose, she want for fire.
Easy, Tentic. This full of lyrics, you're freak. Yo, people, hey, Tentic not come for play, dog. Yeah, but you should look at dog name, dog, if it is serious, for real. Come here.
Know them deck with the liquor, death, 7 circle, men with the 3 mark text. Yes, them just done seen one text, him friend them circle around a gaga mel and realize that he get man dead. The time you want put on the bar when he gun them done full up the car, you are free me for girl choose, she want for fire. Me come deep done full up in her. Can't go fucking college, ni car, me know me chicken, say me did the car, I never bad picking when them no bad, me know the fuck.
Man say, you know, say me trick, you know, things me calm. Easy now, man. Hey, them get tricked. Them get tricked. I said, chicken, you know, I'm going to feel some calm in the dog. You see me, I say, that's how, you know, just how I wait for a reason. For my take me. You see me, I say, come in.
Gonna grow up so fast. Catch who half guard and the shotty love the cough. Slow down the war a little, make them catch up, make them harder. I write them good, no have them ears plug in like charger. Make them murder little body, war writing for dying father.
Man say, catch who half guard, brother. I can't me attack. Catch who half guard. I want to tell me murder you in front of you. Yo, behave, eh.
I write them good, no have them ears plug in like charger. Make them murder little body, war writing for dying father. Who you call me name for? Put up on the laser since you are alien, you must can recognize a creator. Bust a pussy head like Sunday coconut a grader. You feel ram with the body's fucking money.
Man say, since you are alien, you must can recognize a creator. I want to tell you,
Recognize a creator. Bust a pussy head like Sunday coconut a grader. You feel ram with the body's fucking money in a Jamaica. Big yard, come on me hear them a go on like them a big dog. I never on a trainer. You're not ready until you learn the rifle behavior. Think your flag a friend them a go save you.
I think your vlog a friend them a go save you, my youth. Damn, think your vlog a friend a J-frame but I go throw it what after? Cause you know say that go do interview and that's when you don't call authentic. Want to think your vlog a friend a go save you that? Yo, Jeffrey, I've got to get authentic interview, you know, cause authentic feel away, you know, my youth. You see me say, if you see this gate, authentic interview, me G, come on.
Who don't give a one thing, no man that can sing one thing. Man who goes off head over 4 more, I just bit off up and spring. Smart video, ready the bell starving. How you feel already goddamn king? How do you know, say man that keep boy family or your father jerk chicken, alright. Bust off me that left, know them enough, so me bring one tech. Man grow up, me the boss, I sweat, coming with them that, but
they head and left, bro, cause they know some man keep it taking, brother. Arm to them.
Regulaments with the 3 marks. Yes, I'm just unseen one text him friend them circle around a gargamel and realize that they get man dead. Gualas,
easy.
quote dead man, end message. Run girl if a place gone over port more than once, I want to get burned down.
Quote dead man, send message. Is it a white?
Night time sundown, white line run down. Gualas, fun done. See the next one come.
Easy no man. Easy. Yeah. Tenty not playing on the wire, bro. Dog, switch it up, man. Youth, man. Say, yo, I take it too calm in our war so far. You see me? I'm gonna give them something different. The lyrics now. I'm gonna switch. Yo, how think they gonna counter that now? Cause I think KYODI can't come in no more thing there, you know. No more calm tune. I don't think nobody want to hear no more calm tune, bro. In our war. You see me? The man they not fling no wicked shot like that. Man, them fling shot, you know. You see me? Cause you don't know 10 does contact that tune 10 say yo if you catch me half guard, brother. You see me? I can't catch me half guard. Me kill in front of your father, you know. You see me? I say because I got about say you can't this in the sun, and he was like yo me catch you half guard, so that counteract that. But where KYODI gonna come with now? You see me? Can't come, bro. The man come with tune like them, man, full of lyrics, rapid, and a fling shot, bro. You can't come with them calm, laid back thing there. You see me? I say, unless the style, yeah, the flow you come with wicked to it, yeah, you can't get a pass, but yeah, man. KYODI, you're gonna have to turn up, bro. You see me? Cause you call out the dog, you know. So you're gonna have to turn up. You see me? You're gonna have to turn up, my G. Yeah, man.